Are you a 290 registrant in California? Hi, my name is Noah Huston, a criminal defense attorney here in San Diego at Sebbins Legal. I was recently successful in getting my client removed off the PC 290 registration list in California, and here's how we did it. First, we showed that community safety would not be significantly enhanced by the defendant's continued registration. Here's what the court has to prove in order to keep you on the 290 registration list. First, they have to prove that community safety would be continuously enhanced by your registration. Now, the court looks at these 7 factors and making the determination of whether community safety is going to be greatly enhanced by your continued registration. First, the nature and facts of the registrable offense. Second, the age and the number of the victims. Third, whether the victims were a stranger at the time the defendant committed the act. 4, the criminal behavior before and after the registrable offense. 5, the time period the defendant has not reoffended. 6, whether or not the defendant has completed any sex offender treatment. And finally, the defendant's current sexual risk level for recidivism in the community. This is determined by a forensic psychologist who conducts an evaluation of the defendant and generates a report that we can use to argue these 7 facts. The question that was answered in court before the judge was whether or not the safety of the community would be significantly enhanced by your continued 290 registration. How I was successful is I was able to convince the court that a majority of these 7 factors weighed in the favor of my client. Despite losing the first 3 of these factors, I was able to convince the judge that number 4 was a tie, number 5, 6, and 7 all ruled in favor of my client. Because a majority of the factors were determined in favor of my client, the judge granted removal from the 290 registration list to my client.